So I have one question as it pertains to the vicarious liability. One of the concerns I can see with that model is that, well, it depends on how it's understood, is if Christ is necessarily held liable, is there a necessity for his liability? And if so, if Christ is necessarily held liable for the people below him, then that necessitates the incarnation and impinges on the divine will.
I would see no necessity involved at all. In fact, I emphasize that Christ volunteers to serve as our proxy before the Father in bearing the punishment for our sins. So I would say, no, there's no necessity laid upon him to do this. It's an act of grace and condescension, and represents his great love. Don't confuse that with the question of whether or not the satisfaction of divine justice is necessary in order for forgiveness of sins to take place. Many theorists think that in order for God to forgive sins, the satisfaction of divine justice needs to occur first. But that's a quite different question as to whether Christ had to serve as our proxy before God and be the sin bearer.